In the heart of a vibrant rainforest, a symphony of life unfolds. Emerald canopies stretch towards the heavens, teeming with a kaleidoscope of creatures. Among them, the toucans, with their striking beaks and playful personalities, are the rainforest's charismatic ambassadors. These magnificent birds, with their oversized beaks and inquisitive eyes, are perfectly adapted to their tropical paradise. They flit through the trees, feasting on ripe fruits and sharing stories with their distinctive calls. Their lives are intertwined with the intricate web of life that sustains this magical realm. This is their home, a sanctuary of tranquility and abundance. But on the horizon, a shadow looms. A whisper of change carried on the wind, a harbinger of destruction. The threat of wildfire. The first signs are subtle: a shift in the wind, a faint smell of smoke. The toucans, perched high in the canopy, sense the change. Their playful chatter subsides, replaced by a nervous stillness. The whispers of change grow louder, morphing into a roar. The fire, a relentless force, is approaching. Instinct takes over. The toucans take flight, their colorful wings beating frantically against the smoky air. The fire spreads like wildfire, consuming everything in its path. The once vibrant paradise is transformed into a raging inferno. The toucans' home, their sanctuary, is now a battlefield. Their flight for survival begins. They navigate through a treacherous landscape, guided by instinct and desperation. The smoke burns their lungs, the heat scorches their feathers, but they press on. The journey is fraught with peril. They face obstacles at every turn, but their resilience shines through. They help each other, sharing their strength and offering encouragement. They are survivors, adapted to this wild and unforgiving world. Their resourcefulness and adaptability are their greatest weapons. The fire has passed, leaving behind a trail of destruction. The once vibrant rainforest is now a graveyard of blackened trees. The toucans return to their home, but it is unrecognizable. Their paradise is lost, but their spirit is not broken. They survey the damage, their hearts heavy with sorrow, but their determination remains. The rebuilding begins. They work together, sharing their resources and their strength. Community is their lifeline, their source of hope. Nature's resilience is remarkable. Life finds a way to renew itself. The rainforest, though scarred, is healing. The toucans, too, have healed. They have adapted. They have survived. Their spirit is unbroken. Their story is a testament to the power of resilience, the strength of community, and the enduring spirit of life. Even in the face of devastation, hope can bloom. Paradise, though changed, is not lost.